People typically love shutters because they're really easy to maintain and keep clean. They're something that holds up in the window for a very long time, doesn't typically get dirty, and dusting is really simple because of the large louvers and the space to get your hand between. We actually do a lot of hidden tilt shutters that don't have the tilt rod in the center because it's really easy to take a dust rag and just dust in between those. We work with a lot of people who take their blinds in for repair because their cleaning person may have broken it because they don't understand how to operate or use it. Shutters are really easy to use. You grab the louver and tilt it open or close, so anybody that might be cleaning your window isn't going to have a hard time cleaning it or figuring out how to use it, and oftentimes will last forever because there's not a lot of working parts to them. So that's pretty easy. If you have a vinyl shutter, if you have a composite shutter, you can actually use a damp rag to wipe off any spots that you might get. Dry cloth to brush off all the dust or the cobwebs that might be there. But outside of that, we don't really recommend any cleaners or spray cleaners or any type of chemical that you put on them, as that can ultimately affect the finish on your shutters.